I get it this, I get it that.
You say we not being all those we get money, you is bon. Mettez-nous, vous écoutez dans mon mettez-nous. Oh oui, c'est ouvert. Elle est d'autres gens, Mary Digo. Voilà, mon on
parle live.
Mary Digo. Il y a un gars qui est bon, il show télé, on va tout monde. You know, okay, we do how the more domestic having we know what me, you know, Astros. So that was how we started. So again, initiative to should I say, do you know that music is spiritual?
Very spiritual.
So let me call it initiation or initiating to music. In my family, in my lifeline or family here, 90% of them are musicians. Although the kind of song in the role, they are just normal Beatles musicians. When the likes of Bax, Eagle Stars, Benjo or Bass, and the likes of Daddy Agilo, a musician, he was a Sarimori boy, okay, he's a DJ. Then Era, no what be me, Okwimano, a more boy me wapun. So music rare, a l'anima. Et me la vie, man, ya rien regardé, avec mes mots bonheur. On veut qu'il y ait c'est vraiment, on a de bien que des magots ou yuji. Mais on va bien mailler. Yo ouais, à son apément. Arrêtez, piment, bon ça va de 2 points, ouais. Oh, il m'en est, n'avait dit oui ni, n'avait on a senti. Et ni de oui, il j'arrive avec de figo ni moi. Ou ça écoute qui moi, man va vous. Ah, de man, aïe, mais qui go. Non, non, et mais va ko bi man ma, my rabbi ma di wa me bozwa. Ah, get we ah. Oh, il m'a me woni ya dan no. Because no man akedema adam.
Yeah.
So music was already flowing in our family. When we remain, not be our own normal. It was a drummer one. 80% of the vinyl recording not be done when it comes to analog. The guy on drum here. Yes, normal. So music, wow with the family. But 2 nights
Brought me in. It cajoled you in.
Yes, with my friend Nice Cross at the same time. My va of music. In the year 2004.
So we are going with him, Papa.
You meaning of level. You are him.
Okay.
And he or Korean away. He more cook.
Because the way it is now, they mostly they rap the Ukwo pass the Ugbine now as we speak.
Yes, if you don't say I'm going to rap Ugbine is my echo. Ukwo wa mo bojo won every job just say. Yeah. Because my hand we have because once in 3 years. Ayo do. But every many. Iji me mo sosie eri me we ga agwira me bu. Because era no biji me ra we odin wo ko ya. So often every year imam Sojoko ya we go. So me they used to imam Woko, it don't be market Woko, ejere. So me they used to imam Woko say Ugbine, mo so makanju Ugbine once in 2 years because era no biji me maro, no bira me maro, ije no bira me maro. So me mo go imam ya biu do etc. me kan ya rabe otore o kan ya meeting no we go sare mo ma le gbe. That's the but ko ni me wa mo bo fin we rere ni. So no say na repair o ko say but Ugbine wa e wo ni obi Ugbine ni era Ugbine no kere.
Ta ko nu Ugbine yi isi won ade a ori omo ni ebe no. Okay.
Yeah, yeah. Ugbine re wa ra gele na support.
So, Baba, you took an award a few days ago, or should I say a few weeks ago. So, how did they rate the award? Which award as the best Europe artist, or as the best famous artist, or as the best beat maker, or as the best? So, which award did how would fit it?
I go feel remember. Which award?
For example, it's not waiting there. The one when you carry a few days ago, when you carry since when you enter Nigeria.
I think okay, most popular artist in diaspora,
Okay.
the most famous artist in diaspora.
Okay, that was what they honored you with.
I think Mary J because
Okay.
we got a lot of awards.
Because at the end of the day, you came out on social media, so you were, you know, giving kudos to
yes,
people
okay.
involved.
Let
and
me
your-
see. They were here because yes, best diaspora artist 20.
Okay.
It was best diaspora artist for the 2020.
Okay, but now best diaspora, best or famous?
No, best.
Okay, best. Okay, diaspora 2020.
Yes.
So, Baba, now deep more analyze deep down inside. When you wake up, you merited it.
So much. I haven't got award credits to that same award.
Okay.
On my award is on my way now. Hey, pride. Let me just be open. On my award is on my way now. Make a more in me. Or you will wait from another
Angle.
yeah. Like the award I was talking about, the Two-Face is present in many.
Okay.
The most popular artist in diaspora.
Okay.
In a that same year, Eva.
Okay. From another
Yes.
angle, you know,
We
with
move-
the same honor where with the
Yes,
same
ma'am.
award.
Eva be herself the same year. He move with Jamie. In a movie. Eha the same year. He move with Jamie. In a movie Benjo. You know the movie Italy. Same year. Most popular artist. Diaspora artist of the year.
Okay.
Igba Valeria Bigba. So some award they are winning.
Yeah.
I think to God be the glory. We got about 20 something awards in the studio. Some award they are winning. If they are winning, Agmeyo. If they are having the caroto, I'm not saying Kaveri.
Yeah.
So you may don't understand.
But now this one will be the best. Now this one will be the first award when you don't carry, when they don't want to know you with since when you come Nigeria.
No.
Come award in
Last year when I come, I still carry award.
True who? From who?
That was Money is Money Entertainment. I think they give me the award alongside Sandoka, alongside the Boy of Young.
Okay.
Yes. I think that one was most popular artist of the year again.
Okay.
Most popular artist in that.
Okay, but this one now by Owen Hart.
Hmm.
What it make you feel say you merited that award as the best musician 2020?
No, it's not
So
the
what?
most popular artist.
Okay,
in that one.
okay,
Abi?
most popular. But you said best.
Best diaspora artist.
Okay, of 2020.
Yes.
So, Baba, what's the authenticity of your claims? What it make you feel say you really merit am?
The lines are there. They can go through it.
Yeah, you have the records.
Oh, they are there.
So, which music you take carry am?
Okay, let's say more live back.
Okay.
More live the ones when we don't date now.
Okay.
Which song rate? Not be proud though.
Okay.
Which song rate single mother last day for diaspora? Single mother oh, which song rate am for diaspora? We say the cover you know day.
But you don't try to peruse other people's interest.
You know one thing about music, eh?
Okay.
Artist go say artist go understand say this one na artist. Na so e be. I know people when they try, when it good, and when it comes to that diaspora, one day.
Yeah.
Before I dey give credit to artists, once I don't mention Cliff,
Okay.
that one na my real, na my guy. Even before he come land there, I don't dey. I don't mean say before he pick up say wetin I mean say before he get that fame for
You're
diaspora.
already there.
I don't dey. But why I dey give that guy credit? It's good. Look, Manifesto. He has been there for so long, and he still dey maintain the lines dey go. I come meet Manifesto, and Manifesto notice it. AVS, dem boy happy. This boy is good. Honestly, make egbe. On my way, not to feel hate or not the way a boy now or about the politician or something. No, there are a lot of people like that. We in before he carry, but he ain't when the boy now split. He not so let them but he never did so. Manifesto encouraged me, the diaspora, this pillar. Ah, guy, you are doing well. Keep it up, bro. The life of Spyvision. Before me we win my future Spyvision, he encouraged me. Yeah, that way. Before we win blow me, we won with Spyvision Man of the Year. With Spyvision. Although Maka about pick, but we won with Spyvision, which already encouraged me. So if I dey give credit to people, if I dey say Don Cliff, you good, na my guy did this. Before Don Cliff split, we already do collaboration when they kidnap Osayomore.
Okay.
We did collaboration. I think it was all true with what was this guy? Jeff Rose, DJ Jeff. Just call me, VS. My son, they tell me that thing. VS, Afa. We just do something. I mean, nobody has said people day diaspora will not show concern about. We do something for a party. Okay, no wahala. I call my guy when he play in Winnipeg beat. I carry my studio, come up from my house, go the video director apps. Because that same day we play that beat, that same day now we record that song, that same day now we shoot that video. Because everybody come from different city. Don't
all that 24 hours?
Yes, now. Till daybreak. Don't Cliff come from Asket of Verona. That thing never come from Verona self, if I'm not mistaken. That's still the Plateau side that day. Don't Cliff come. Let's say I call this guy when we bring everybody together. Jeff Rose, my humble self, Tower that Good, Uyi City, like 7 of us, I be 8 of us, babe. We do that same song that night. That time, I never want to say, again, I don't believe.
Yeah.
I just know as normal as they call everybody. So when we did that song, the guy delivered. Everybody delivered their verse for that song. From there, we come hear the chat, exchange number. Then when they ask me, say, Papa, Father, I said, I do. How you go? We all consider they win up split. When you win up split finish, I could get more friends, more. So tell if I go show, fellow artists go to tell me say now your time your day, so hold on well.
Like say they want to run you out of business.
So one day, person tell me that thing. You know how you feel when we say you did. Not believe you be the artist for diaspora.
Yeah.
But a week he say my issue. He may get show that show. He can Saturday show like Sunday show. Even if not be corona.
They show a club. What we bury up?
Events. Apart from one event, one show, MA host for many years in the career. You do your show, get free entrance, you book me. I don't care how you do.
I see your tour notification.
All your own. You don't pay me my money. You pay for the ticket going and coming. You do my hotel. As far you don't already pay 80% of your advance.
You are there.
You watch over know. In Iraqi country, that country, so friends come the limit, and friends come the many, fresh friends come the many. So in the lives of people we good, when I come meet or when come meet me for that diaspora, they always give you that credit. Mafesto, Spice Vision, Cliff, where's when we hold the diaspora then? Who else? So,
Papa, our Azeye tells the same thing. You know, we don't check your record right from the one.
So that's why I tell you. Sorry, that's why I tell you. Say when you say whether I'm narrator, that's why I tell you. Say artists understand. They go to check the record. Don't be to release song. After 5 years, they use the glory of that song till they go. No, every year, no. Even though I release 20 songs a year, for instance, you must get one hit. We go cover the diaspora. Hey, pride. I go sit down, say, my heart do year. This year now we enter now, 2021. I died, you know already. I don't release one song now. I have to knock the videos. Osasun in Europe. He go no Osasun in Europe. I'm near here.
No, where do you go?
Tana. I be part music. I don't mean it. He just so why the meeting.
Imagine.
He just why I club in Wigby.
Did you ever have a meeting by myself?
So, anyway, so we always know the strategies to keep our fans alive. Any other way you wanna make
Hello there. Have you ever wondered where you can get quality design and prints for your ideas and concepts? Then look no further, as Gorilla Multimedia is here for you. At Gorilla Multimedia, we undertake printing services of all kinds. We design and print on t-shirts and souvenirs, printing of photo books, photo album, and exquisite framing of your photos. We also offer a cartoon and artistic drawing representation of any of your photos in either the framed or the unframed option. Don't just sit there. Contact us today on 081-79-111-024. Gorilla Multimedia Services. Quality at its finest.
Nobody release 100 songs. I can just release one song a year. You are promo, you are daji. You are tour. Every year I must do my summer and winter tour. The last year, upon the COVID, year places 16 or 15 cities. Is there, the record is there, you can check it. The diaspora, upon the COVID, you have a Czech country and the COVID, the America, then now quarantine. Promoter about you, the way after you get event, like you know, COVID now, see the bill. I must come down a day to the event. Now, so I continue to work on my COVID because if people say they want to delay me for airport or anything, I enter. Me no. So before I come down a day of that event, as I come down, they go hotel, as I true, I go back to hotel, bath, clean up, fly again. I don't enter my country. Italy, every year more running my daji. But from there, I don't visit. In fact, 95% of the Europe country. Only country where I know say I never go play now Dublin. And I never play UK. When I go UK last was October. I just go do 1 or 2, spend 5 days, I'll be 3 days, come back. I don't go for event due so the corona already capture it. Yeah. So UK already close the event center and some other things. So 95% or 90% of the countries with diaspora, you play it. The evidence is there. They are on my YouTube. Everything was play, he play, deliver.
You killed the show.
So I'm an artist today. Artist today. I do back with so many. He died throughout the night. He was daji. Or I will play life now. I'm just merely, but 95% of the people who are coming to the event, they are already used to the songs. Ain't anyone already. I will be master. We are buried the life. Power and glory. And they just want to see that it don't be a snuggle in one year already now. Oh my head, I don't know where I make it away. So that's it. So the evidence are there. So I merited it and I have it. So to all the awards I've taken, on my word of back, name and merit, I'm women. In that year, you might measure in your money. In that year, the person in front of me, this is not my award. God bear me weakness.
You did?
Yeah. God bear me weakness. God of
in
music.
Nigeria, bear
God of music bear me weakness.
So who merited the award then? No matter when you man they don't issue the award, but Omanote merited the award.
Yeah, you.
But Omani who work very on here.
Maybe I can. Where? Nina, what's in that? 3 awards I'm moving though. 1 night.
Okay, to you.
Yes. Up bow. I didn't merit it. When in a year, then you can't have a commercial artist that can flow to any kind of sound. Yeah, rap, but there are people not focused on rapping. My young not the more best rapper of the year. I'm award now. He may do it who rap.
Yes.
There are people who merited it. Who city is there in diaspora? So many other rap artists are there, which I know they merited that award. Well, I nominate him in an award the 6 categories. Modi Maya present with that award in it. You know, I may event now pay me. You know, the message you go a month to that award. I won't be around. You can not give anything. You ever slack, you not give for that award. Award is just a glory to keep you going. You might do get it. Right?
Yeah.
So, no award, no refusing representative. Any award, no refusing representative. It's not genuine. I bias.
Yes, it's
so,
not genuine.
Award now.
And they want to honor you for their own selfish reasons.
Which you are around, but the platform in the man free.
Yeah.
Know that some people with that power award just because no you are in the platform.
Your presence, yeah.
No, are in the platform. There is one award that I cherish most again. Who award again after that 2 phase. Oh, yeah, the same year now the same year Nemo to face in it was 2018. Edo cultural, I think the Roma, the Baba Rema, Erema, Omonobanedo, Obere Jawa, the second. I will not base very any Vitli.
Obawai the second.
Obawai the second.
Okay.
I will not base Vitli, which is Roma, non ambassador to Nigeria embassy.
Yeah.
They give me that award. That's in last year. Best diaspora artist of the year. That's in every month. Best diaspora artist the gaming.
Yeah.
So I cherish that award. What's here? I cherish it. Emmanuel Ojere, how you know? They rate it in a game and way before you get it. And when they perform for them, I never requested for any fund. Even me at here, I told them a show or different from higher or no. Buy me my flight ticket when I'm coming, give me my hotel reservation. I'm coming. When we were projecting culture, or it's serena when you do ya showcase it to Emmanuel Damio, what Dimadigo. When to get me. So, a sorry do was that way. Et don't be as I am with a word. It must show happy, ne?
Yes.
C'est pas dans ta wama, what do you
Award on top.
So, any accord where so we are nominating you for awards, so date, sir. You know, are you selling gate fee? Oh yes. You are not doing award.
You they do award, you want set ticket at the same time.
You are not doing award. Pay me for my performance. You want to make I come sing for you, not there. How much be the status of the award when you go there?
The bronze.
The bronze when they do for you, good for you. 10,000 or 20,000 maximum. You want to make a come perform throughout the night. Events when they collect 800, 1,000, 1,200, 1,300, depending on the event. Then you want to make a come perform for you just because you want to give me one bronze. Not be award you want to give me. You just want to make a come work for you. So there are some awards when I know they go. So at that award, when I say they nominate me 5 category, I not call them one. I never talk this for that interview. Yeah. The reason I don't go for that award, I get events when they give me money, which I get shows when they say I don't even collect the money down. Since I started the play show for diaspora, nobody go tell say I don't carry the VSC, not come. Bro, now you cancel your show. It must as far because okay, wait, I don't carry the VS. You don't pay 80 or 70% of my money. I must stay there. So you don't fit tell me say because of our award, when I ever give you notice a month to say, bro, I got the event. I wrote you till now that message is still on my mail. In that mail, go manager in that mail. I wrote it myself, forwarded it to my manager on that mail, go Prince Austin on that mail. My artist is not going to be around. He's going to send a representative. If possible, I, the manager, my humble servant.
I will be there.
So they did an award. It was no screed. Award the award. That's screed there. The bronze. I was screed there. Yo. Name too. So person screed anyway. Yo. You know your award. Let me just say it up. This is a live event. So I adore you. Yami. Enwe. Apolo edo agbera bani you know your award oje la award na dele yo to ana ya print ave ni mo aye no ruwe o aye binini atanta ye kino keke ni aji.
No, that was bad.
So in the 5 award we were not nominating me, I merited like 4 self, which again we I'm not silly, Nima merited.
Simply because you
marry. Ederi Boko na la social media. Imema gombe na wa bela je ogbe. That the that's na gombe. Me ku ta get VSC award. We son re pass this year for that's why. Which artist or indigenous artist of the year we pass the VSC for this which ignorance na David that you know I come on not tranquilo. I already wrote on my story that if you are not giving because of merit, it's selfishness.
It's pure selfishness.
Often, I was not seeing some comments on that. Ah, bro, bravo. Ah, I like the way you mute. Ah, bro. From there, any award when you my house, if you come my studio now, any award when you bro, I go bold like this, not come for Chelsea. These are my awards. admirated them. Omanara iti we Charlie. On our this is not my award. I've got it on your movie.
Okay, back to what I was trying to say not quite long. Ever since I wear a baby killing no man again, but no man again. You know, you've been in it, you've been in this game for long. And I might move boy me come here with me. You said something not quite long. You know where mama book you will show there or not seek for your attention
No,
to show
marry.
there no manare.
Terrible.
But I believe one thing, except one time, I think that was last year.
What's the
When
last
one issue came up, it has everything to do with the two brain.
Yes.
So at the end of the day, when the guy started the talk from the beginning,
The saga, yes.
yeah, okay, na saga na the column from that side. So to me, I just believe in that misunderstanding. So
And did
the
I
guy,
respond?
the guy, when the guy goes, okay, see how he be, people don't believe from onset. So the guy went as far as posting your voice note. You understand?
Yeah.
How you take say you dey go Lagos say because of you, now make enough fit do that Ekaba. Say all the money when he give you, you eat them. At the end of the day, you not still show up. But I believe say you supposed get take on that area.
Yeah. For
So
now.
was it right?
No, it was wrong. You know what I say it was wrong?
Okay. He not pay you.
That your Edo where I nini ya tolegwe.
I even igbe
I even igbe ya tolo. Do you know another artist I respect most in Lagos?
Okay.
Maybe I might measure it. It's Whiskey. One you not say not respected boy. At his age, he's doing well. He's doing well, maybe with Umigo or something, or he's matured enough to handle some situations.
You know they talk.
Everyone. I picked that from him. If when a boy in the two way, the saga knows and I'm in the novel that we are escalating the issues. Imari mwe landline. Imari mwe mi ne mata. Headline ne mata. Get me? There are so many people who don't even know him.
Okay, you check and say at that point in time, say
If I even talk,
attention.
if I even talk, I'm not give him. If I even talk as I mature, which I'm not giving fame.
Okay.
As in, I know for that diaspora, if I talk, I give him fame. So I get management too. I not be Gary or a manager got you know. Don't be us. I don't want to hear your voice. Forget say na me the manage. I dey respect rules. But matured enough, a lot of people not ask so much. They also call me. So when I tell some the part of the story, they laugh and say, "You are matured, why you wear?" Yeah, but do you know why I keep mute? I feel that 2 wrongs cannot make it right. At the end, we make an amend. Let me cut the long story short. Which summer, I'm going to give you back that money. Because whoever I expect to come to Nigeria, you go out with on Adelaide. A summer, we minute on VS. And to God be the glory. Then the summer why I end. He wrote to me and said, "Baba, summer for the alpha." I said, "Send your account." He said, "Baba, now you want to forgive me?" I said, "No. You send the money to my Nigeria account, yes or no?" "Oh yes, I'm paying you in Nigeria account." "Send your account." I got receipt, I got everything to that effect. Not send it in there. One pin, my line. Una yemi no ma ve koko uzegbe no momewe. No ya never dagbo. Or no that TV no ma ya somewhere. I have no problem with him though, because he told me initially that a lot of people got
your friends as well.
Yes, now.
Oh, his friends.
Yes. It's all you obviously. What I don't know, man. As far I never carry person come down to claim. As far I never carry somebody to claim. I never carry somebody down to claim. Not be bring me that man. Music is the calling, bro. So, but nevertheless, two brain. Solo or in Solomon is his real name. Imawe Nagbe, Imawe Namoe. He is still my friend.
Okay, so that was the area I was driving at. See, as we speak now, after this whole waiting for your relationship with him as we speak.
He is still
now.
my friend. We might be a distant friend. Yeah, where we are for.
Emwa.
I do work but we're still friends. Why? If you want to be successful in this life, know your friends and know your enemies. So that after that incident, I believe you will not put out the great blow the layer. So we single mother out the great blow the layer. So and that's why we on them guys soon or more done. I'm gonna use a little bit. We are the big key. Iwe corona ti me ga pe show. You participate to do ti me say, Baba fa.
Pretty be the secret.
I did the sub. Corona not the whole you. We all dey push you, not me dey run now on God. Artist ti men we book have we Baba abeg. That place when you dey go. You carry me along. Makamia, ina ya ji won se mere don clear the way. Otobo ekiame o, Jesus otobo ekiame o. E baba kiame, e rame ijeme. E mo bonize yo tesan. E Jesus o atobo we the movement. If God say na your turn, na your own. But as God give you that time, maintain now. Because if you not maintain now, all day. If you get 100 million now, bro, you not use am well. 100 million go finish you. Eke na rie, awful. So my relationship with Tugbe remains. We're still friends. Or Timen away yes, I want to do this stuff. Hey, fine, we're good. But I never want to come online to say this, blah blah blah. No, because if I do it, I'm reducing my fan. So let who wants to believe the story believe. Then normally no be judge, no be believe it. This kind of thing cannot happen. But I don't want to go to that details. If I go to that details, I don't want his fans to lose interest from him. He's a good guy though, but he was pushed.
But finally, the Kappa video, no, not called one.
No, initially, even if Tugbe come now, I can just tell you the fact. This is my life shit. Even if he come now, say Moko do that video. I don't get problem with him now on the campus or anything.
You do one with that. Gladly do one with that.
That is me, bro.
But the song still did down because you featured in the song.
I did the song for him. Bear me weakness. I'm a producer, a guy in Norway. I'll produce a bit in his Sportstone. Credit to Sportstone. Kudos to him. I'll produce a bit in it. I recorded that song in my studio, in the Tugbe, free of charge, no dime. I featured on the song, free of charge, no dime. So what the hell are you talking about? I just want to let the sleepy dog lie because the way we are for acquiring. And if you want to be successful, go beyond your past.
That's a nice one, bro. So, still on the topic and still on the subject matter. Aside all these old songs, you don't feel assemble one album yet?
Wow, it's a very great topic.
Okay.
Not constantly album.
Yeah.
Waiting for like 2 years now, I wanted to drop an album. Every year now, the next year, before this COVID and stuff. For like 2 years, I wanted to drop an album. Do you know one thing is, woman army fan base. You not drop an album. What bad? You might just have one hit song. I'll buy a song in the rest of rubbish. If we make back to back, if I want to make them an album, I'll buy a bonnet. Anyway, a hit in the diaspora.
Okay.
Let me try like 4 or 5. What was a hit in diaspora? What was it called? Shorty was a hit in diaspora. If Yanyagbe featured on Cliff was a hit in diaspora. Single Mother is a hit in diaspora. Ugyagbe is a hit. I get many hits for that when we say next songs you don't get album. But I just did maintain my fan base. Baba, he got drop it album. He make sure I'm a for. So last year we're almost done with my album. Fixed everything, the promotion, everything. COVID now the worry. My MD was like, VS, I better drop a bone now, get cheap. Couples of songs that may released now we're talking with the album. What's the MD girl? Even who way the album and I release it was also in Europe. Like I'm a manager anyway. There must be something for my fan in December, which will happen like New Year. I like New Year dropping the video there. And that was where my manager saw that the whole way. There are so many hit songs. No, you can't have it no carry with all. Album is almost. In fact, album is ready, but we just don't want to release it at the way or my layer. So we are working on it to pre-order stuff, a date here. But album will be coming this year. Since over COVID, man, will be situate. Because most of album need less than a year now, they both flop because of the COVID.
Yeah.
Do you know one thing is dropping an album is good, but moving with the album is the work. We not drop it like single now. Yeah, drop a single. You man not talk. Yeah, feel we single, you man move. Yeah, feel we man accept it. But we not drop a album or drop a single in or not pick. The next things are events or event equal. Also not travel. Oh, we don't drop it. You want move. What feel we? So I don't want to drop an album. I will remain at home. No. As I drop my album, I do album tour.
Album tour. Who do you have
I make sure we 4, 5 to 6 songs near America home.
Yeah.
Or we album and they go be hit. So they should be waiting the lives of single mother. You will go
inside the album.
Shorty. You with the album. Then I will get 4 to 5 hit songs. American jumper. Album I may marry for. So we go me drive you there no him. Very good. You know me marking. I'm not working for album. I'm not in my picture me. I mean one me have YouTube. I made the audio and video. This is not mix. Mix. I made the audio and the video. Where's something? You know when the was back, you know the park in a bed there.
You know the go there?
Yes, now. Osman or moto. You know this boy. Oh, you know. Look, I tell you, not be the road. Tell you the go. Ever. No, the next one. I didn't stop him because he married Lisbon. Yeah, Lisbon that should own a copyright.
So you is like a promotion, right?
Yes, yes.
It's a promotion,
yes,
like.
Yes, dating a copyright, man.
Yeah.
So my album already is released under the copyright where all the songs are last songs.
Okay.
We know we.
Yeah, that Paris in.
Paris in it.
Yeah.
It's about there is so, but after then I just say a promo not here. I bought a lot of mix. Kudos to all the DJs who are putting my songs on their mix. DJ Siva, DJ Collabo, DJ West, so many DJs, DJ MT Blaze, so many DJs based here, home and abroad, who are putting my song with their mix. Many mix here, I beg you everywhere, most of songs. It's Nebo Motomen. So those are promo.
They don't see. Now, you know, say, from the perspective where we see some certain things from, you know, the Europe artists, per se, where most of them, their music, they go viral there, they catch fire there, they end there, they quench there. So your films are how it escalate reach Nigeria. How it they favor you as you don't come house. So.
Number one, matter. At Thursday, we no put that line. You marry we get the code with our promo. Wow.
Okay.
You want to say So I was just thinking maybe man the diaspora or send the area or something or in the way.
Okay.
So my mama go promo in Nigeria. A grace or why I say in Nigeria. So me like the line because at Thursday, why when you do promo, you be my me release when you pick. It's your time. You won't you pick up my same month. The government now will take a bill or when yeah, then. At Thursday, we are going to promote in Nigeria. I will remember me. You are zero qua. Only that. I get a foundation you talk. So, ni bon no see any music in a stadium. Yeah, promo. It's how we want YouTube. Our live video. When you drop I don't release music. Bro, I don't pay money. I don't use 1 million naira promo song. The diaspora, me we doing a promo in Nigeria. If I'm lying, ask on the bello.
Yeah.
Can testify to it. In one new with the Don Cliff, he with the Don Cliff. That video was shot 1.2. He gonna pay the director. Now Logan is not paying the director. I'm not arrested party where I reflect. I know how much I spent on that video.
Are you looking for a place where you can get quality ironworks for that your fantastic building plan? Or are you looking for solid burglary proof to keep intruders away? Then worry no longer, as you can account on Omori Steel and Fabrication to give you the fantastic iron fabrication to make your building outstanding. For bookings and more information, please call 081-79-111-024, or you can contact us on our Gmail, omorifab@gmail.com. Omori Steel and Fabrication, quality at its finest.
In one promo in Nigeria. Of course, music is spend and get. Una spend, una get. Just work on your craft. Just know it's not accepted. Una spend the music, una get. I'm not accepted. That is why it's also good in another way to release an audio before video.
Yeah.
Here I accept audio. You follow. Why I so I want you to release audio and video the same day. It's good, but not for people who don't get fame.
Yeah.
You never strong. You want to release audio and video the same day. So if I watch the video, audio with me 100,000 views.
Emil.
So everywhere, so everywhere.
So Papa, who would they expect your next collab with now? You don't do collab with a lot of people.
Yeah.
So which person now would they expect any collab with both here, whether here Lagos, but a woman will want to
for Nigeria now, for Benin to be precise.
Yeah.
I'm working on something with a partner, our own. You
did something with him before?
No, I never did featuring. It just appeared on my video, just based on scenes on my video.
Okay.
So we never really work. And for long we have been together.
Well,
so,
yes,
we just do a skit on the video. But it's that time we work. So we're working on the project. So very soon we're going to be releasing the song. And this my project so go large again, like I talk. So because as I come up from Nigeria now, they go back to the diaspora for instance. People are expecting to see something.
Yeah.
Now that thing when they want to see, one will say, hey boy, now you are.
Okay.
So we're working on something. I'm working with the great Umewe Okubelo Mwigo.
Okay. But now, you know where I believe you should have an advice. But before then, let's talk about your challenges in the industry. The challenges over there, most especially the challenges one at the face right there in diaspora. So how can we specify?
You know one thing when I play seriousness, not be just to get fame, not to maintain it.
Yeah.
Maintaining fame is one of the biggest challenges as an entertainer. Being a moving entertainer, as an entertainer, maintaining fame is the biggest challenge. On me miss we are as a normal person who music but when I wa me ni twin o kono wa temi wa woni music po a pastor ni wa ya love ko amere ko zan ko but ugben so o ma kan love camera o ma ko yi gbe wa dai
and every baby doorstep
city ni. So the biggest challenges is maintaining fame.
Okay.
Secondly, is a mani legal arowo ne yeah atin yeah we wo magbon we say thing arowo ne otuno legal ne so abi many years do here because if you are not okay with the people who are moving with you, or you are not okay with your team, or you are not okay with should I say your face, automatically we will dey. If you know say this red shoe na this boy dey wear on Monday and they tell you say they wan cut that boy leg, you go quickly tell am say egbe red shoe ni agawere lele. So the another challenge is when it's strong way. Now that aspect of the people you are moving around with. Are you hearing someone they will call say they want book? I want your book don't just or you. Some of your people when they follow you, even say, "No worry, I'll carry on corner my guy." And of which you know, say, my guy not go put food for this guy table.
Yeah.
My guy not go pay rent for this guy. Then when you come the request for the thing, say, Baba follow me go some place. They say you get you already. You come they say na bad friend. Then another challenge is again. This one serious. So when a woman, you know, if as an entertainer you don't have a normal fan, you don't have a female fan, you're not going anywhere.
Okay.
You get me?
Yeah.
You're not going anywhere. So it's very difficult as an entertainer to be able to control women. And you cannot chase them off. Do you know that any entertainer normally friendly to women is not going anywhere? Do you know that?
Okay. To understand.
Okay. Let me break it down. Anyway, you know, man friendly to Ogo. Who now with drama, let's assume. Who definitely man me way away, but you have to be friendly. Let's make an example. The biggest challenge is anyway, you know with drama. And who man friendly to him. You get it? Or tell me down okay, you are not going anywhere. A man might be watching your moving. You can find out where your boy are when come out that movie. I don't love this boy. I don't like this boy. Oh yeah. Okay. Although but if you not talking, I not make a set to wear. I want a picture of. I will not buy this movie. I not like me not off.
For his own selfish, for our own selfish reason.
But when I was here, he's salable. Baby, you don't know that boy song when you come out. Put on.
Animalic piano, mama, I want to
say. I
want to say.
Where oh, yes.
Is it just some men when they go back, go they spend millions so? And women.
Oh, my team never phone come away. No, yes, we go mother will come away. Yeah, what do you? Are we a walk away? I tell you, none of them. Tell you, none of them. So that's just the fact. Okay. I wouldn't come away. I go one egg and a memo. Okay. So you have to be friend. You have to have friendship with your female fan. Okay. So and it's a big challenge for so many entertainers because every no easy. But so now on the life you at that particular time, so many women are to you know, so many messages. I mean, honestly, most of celebrities they keep their relationship out of media. Yeah. Because in back.
In political class, there's what we call kakistomoboputocracy. Maybe the dango if I saw in school, they were forced to classify Nigeria as a kakistomoboputocratic state. Where Nenia, una do beg we normal give Baba Sagbada. At least first time when you came the first time, I heard what happened, what transpired, and the second time you were attacked. So I hope. Time, yes. Okay, yeah, the third time now. So I hope this one not go.
No.
Scare you away from coming back the next time. Oh, wow. Maybe call me back, next time.
Oh, wow. There is no way you can do away from your home.
Okay. So are we still going to be expecting you?
Any moment. Even often more than before.
Because you don't give up.
Oh no.
Ya biomonoka ilenowa. Agbubo owa.
Ilenowa no yoko.
Yes. Only we are bione. Agbubo wa you. Adweke wa you. So Baba, your advice for everybody. Your thanks.
Yeah. All I have to say is just keep it real. Okay. And maintain whatsoever you're doing. Okay. Make sure we're staying in Malawi. Okay. Do testing in must be
no matter how you try to prevent it.
You got it's still not way. When I feel boy, so there is nothing they can have temptation or stuff. What matters is how do you handle it. So just keep it real and maintain and be focused. We are here. I reckon
all right, ladies and gentlemen, now don't hear from Don VX Iwinupo. Baba, that Don VX, I know where this is supposed to come first, but it does not matter. You don't make us understand. I know so you have it on Facebook and everything. So how can you introduce yourself fully? Your real name, your thingy name, everything. Apart from VX, I believe you should have a name. Now I take Don VX.
My names are Unire Vincent from Mosego. So I got a VX from my English name, which is Vincent.
Okay.
I got a V from there. From Mosego, which is my dad's name. I got the S from there.
Now what? You know that is the liver.
Yeah.
My brother will bag me. Give me a corona. Now ma you be.
You was a
Oh, but now you come from that side.